Hello everyone, welcome back to Start E-Learning. Today in this video we are going to start the series of lectures on C programming. So if you wanted to learn the complete C programming means, so you just subscribe for our channel, that is the Start E-Learning. Go to playlist, there itself you will see the entire playlist regarding this C programming. Okay, without wasting our time, let me skip into today's topic. Okay, today we are going to start the C programming, right? So first of all, let me know what is C programming. Let me know in comment section, guys. So what is language? Let me explain in detail. So language is a communication medium between two objects. So let me take example in daily scenario. Assume that there is a person A and also we have the person B. Okay, so this is person A and this is person B. So see here, in our country we have lots of languages in order to communicate between the persons, right? So this is language 1, language 2, language 3, like this. Okay, we have many programming languages. We have many communication languages. So in the same way, if we wanted to communicate with the computer, so language is very important. So we have many programming languages like C programming, R programming, and Python programming, Java programming. So those are all. Okay, I'm not saying that C programming is that is a very big language. Okay, so in computer science also. So if the person wanted to communicate with the computer means, assume that this is a computer, that is your personal PC. Okay, so if you wanted to communicate with your personal computer, so C programming is very necessary. Okay, so that is language is very necessary. So C is the first programming language which was developed in the introduced into market in the year 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Okay, so C programming coming to the environment that is into market in the year 1972. So even though the computer was discovered in the year 1940 by Charles Babbage, right? So even though the computer was developed in the year 1940, at that time the computer only knows that is a binary language. Okay, that is. So see here. So the computer only knows this binary format like this. Okay, so this is what the language which is understood by these computers and all. Okay, so even now also the computers only understand these binary formats only. Okay, so this is C programming is almost similar to our English language. Why? Because so the keywords which we use in the C programming are mostly all are English keywords. Okay, that's why C programming is similar to, not similar to, it's almost the English language. Okay, so by using this C programming language, we are going to communicate with the PC. Okay, so see here. So whenever the language is in the form of this binary format means, so this language is known as low level programming language. So this is low level programming language. And then, so here C programming is almost it is in English, right? So that's why it is known as high level. Okay, so it is high level programming language. That is, we may use the many keywords like if, else if, like this. So these are all are the English words, right? So you may also raise the question that, so sir, you said that so computer only understand this low level language. So when we give these keywords means how the computer will understand, sir? So here one intermediate product will be coming to play, that is the compiler. So compiler, it converts the entire high level language into this low level language. Okay. So compiler plays an important role in order to convert the high level programming language into this low level programming language. Okay, so this is something about the introduction regarding this C programming. So and also we have this symbolic language. So even though it is introduced in the year of 1972, before that we have a symbolic language. Okay, so symbolic language. So in symbolic language also there are some keywords which are included in the English language, remaining and all these binary formats. Okay, so so here if we wanted to convert this high level programming language into low level means, so we use the compilers, that is translator. So we all are aware about this Google translators, right? So if we wanted to go convert if I wanted to convert any sentence into other languages like Hindi, Telugu means, so we simply use this Google translator. Likewise here also, so translator is there, that is compiler, which converts the high level programming into the lower level programming. Okay, so hope you people are understood with this introduction regarding the C programming. So guys, the Start e-learning provides many of the programming languages for you. It will conduct the more live demonstrations for you people. So it is paid, but it is a minimal amount. Okay, so when compared to other when compared to other institutes, so the amount here is very low. Will be clarifying your doubts in live sessions. Okay, so hope you people are understood with this. So in next video I am going to discuss about the control statements, that is which is the heart of our C programming language. Okay, thank you. ఎట్లా వచ్చిందిరా అబ్బా.